Good morning to everyone. Myself Alia Fatima Raujani from class 1 Sarojini. Today I am going to speak few words about landforms. There are very landforms in the earth. Earth is made up of land and water. Today I am going to show you the landforms. This is the forest. Forest has many plants. Plants gives us medicine, fruits, vegetables and oxygen also. This is hills. Hills. This is island. And this is lakes. This is desert, plains, rivers and mountains. Rivers. Today I am going to show you the live volcano. The live volcano.
Wow.